Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. Oh, look at this dent right here. How's it, guys? Good morning. It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2009 Subaru Forester, and today I'm going to replace the window motor regulator on the driver's side door. It rained last night in Las Vegas, so I had to put on the tarp. So let's do this. Let's see how many miles on this. 142,595. Let's see what happens. Oh, that cable's jacked up in this. That is the flat 4. Put that out. Use this. Get in there. This should pop up. Oh, oh yeah, I got it. There. Yes. Just can't put it back right over here. This one. This. Push. Pull. Got 2 here. Don't drop, don't drop. Oh, can't drop. I believe this comes. Yes. Put it here. Oh, yes. Okay. Push it up. Oh God. So like that. This one. Just like that. Pink on top. Then the plate. Push down, pull. Well, looks like someone was trying to do it. It's gonna be messy. Let's just make this stick. Oh, get a volleyball right here. That's good. Yeah. Messy. 3, 4, 6, 7. Take out the wind. Ooh. That's the problem. Let's try to raise it up. Raise it up a little. Stick it. Stay there. Yes. 10. Don't drop, don't drop, don't drop. Don't drop. Ow, ow, ow. Where did it go, George? Where did it go? We gotta remove this. Yes. Angle, angle, angle. Got some paper in there. Disconnect this. Here. Yeah. Push and pull. Push and pull. drop. Okay. 3 here. Good. Side. To get some paper in there. Okay, good. Doorman. Okay, slap. Hook it up over here. Where's the hooks? There's one hook and 2 hooks. There you go. What the hell's going on, bro? Shit. I'm supposed to flip it. Oh, shit, right here. This. Flip it like that. Oi. Good. Now, there. Slowly. Ooh. And slowly go down. Alright. Slowly, slowly. Yes. 2. Tight, tight. Test it up. All the way up. All the way down. All the way up. All the way down. All the way up. All the way down. All the way up. Let's see, it's doing automatic. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Alright, put back everything now. Pink. Oops, get in there. Good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace, everybody. Cut.